I only wish more women over 40 who are makeup beginners knew about this simple and easy way. Because, honey, there's an easier way to just glow up. Perfect for makeup beginners. This is something you can do even if you feel like you're not great at makeup. It's easier than you think and it's quicker than you think. Let's do it. All you're gonna do to get that flawless look is you're gonna grab your custom makeup palette. This contains all the makeup shades that you're gonna need. This is the only thing you will need for your whole entire face. Your custom makeup palette and your foundation brush. The first thing you're gonna do is dip into your foundation with your brush. And you're just gonna kind of dot to blend this all over. And as you're stippling this on, if you have large pores like me, remember, press your makeup in. That's gonna help to disguise your large pores, and this brush gives the best coverage. This brush is called the Buff Brush. And if you're confused about your foundation shade, like what color you should be using to even out your skin tone, comment match, I'll pick out your perfect foundation shade for you. Because just with your one foundation color, look at the difference between your bare face and with your foundation. I also want to tell you this is the best for makeup beginners because this foundation is actually cream. So it's different from a liquid and powder, where liquid and powder foundations, they honestly age us after 40. They're going to expose your fine lines. They're going to pronounce every wrinkle. Cream makeup is actually more natural looking and it's way easier to blend. So now that you've aged yourself 10 years backwards, grab your contour color. Throw this up against your hairline. Come on down, carve out these cheekbones and this shadow along your jawline. Give yourself this little tiny slim nose. Contour just adds beautiful sculpture, angle, depth, dimension. Now jump down here to your concealer, to your inner corner and your outer corner. This is all you need under your under eye, because the more product we put under our eye, girl, you're just gonna be susceptible to more cracking, creasing, caking under the eye. Less is more over 40. Now, once you got your contour, your concealer, come back with your same foundation brush. This time I'm using the tiny end so I can get in these little inner corner and the outer corners, and look how easily that blends. Just a few light taps. No blending your concealer for 30 and 40 minutes. That's a struggle that you get with liquid and powder foundation, girl. I'm 43, mommy to 5. I do not have time to spend more than 5 minutes on my makeup. When you get to your contour, just up and back for a little lift. Same here, up and back into your hairline. To make your easy makeup pop even more, I want you to grab a little bit of cream bronzer to the temples, follow the lines of your contour, because look at this gorgeous warmth that you're gonna add with bronzer. I never ever skip bronzer. I think everybody should wear it all the time. It's just so beautiful. Look at that warmth, girl, and look at your skin. So easy, right? Didn't I tell you this was gonna be the easiest makeup in the world? Okay, take your cream blush. Just gonna go up and back for a lift. Look how pretty and glowy. Oh, I cannot get over it. As a former makeup beginner over 40, I didn't learn how to do my makeup till I was 39. And believe me, before that, I was terrible at it. I would be in the store, going crazy, losing my mind, trying to find the right colors. Always chose the wrong colors and then had to go back and do like a million returns. Who has time for that? A little bit of cream highlighter is just going to make everything pop. Look how pretty and like glowy that's going to be on your skin. Ready to blow your mind with this because, girl, we're gonna fill in our brows so quickly and easily. So just with a little spoolie brush, you can brush your brows. And then if you have an angled, like little flat ended brush, you can quickly fill in your brows. I'm actually gonna take my contour color. So we are like reusing these products. I love a good multi-purpose, multi-function line underneath your tail. Accentuate your arch, and then just go ahead and use little light hair strokes to kind of just fill in your brows. So super simple, super easy. And watch this, come to the front, give yourself those little hair strokes in the front to make everything just look kind of natural. And then like, look at the difference in your brows. Speaking of multifunction, you can go back to your blush color. Girl, use it as your lip. So even if you are a makeup beginner, girl, there's no excuse now because you can do this. Cream makeup is so forgiving. It's so easy to work with. You can't make a mistake. Just blend and it all comes together. Multifunctional again. I just took a dark eyeshadow and I did my eyeliner. I highly recommend this over 40 anyway, using an eyeshadow instead of, like a thick black pencil eyeliner, because that thick eyeliner pencil, girl, is going to age you so fast. We want to look youthful and natural. After you do your mascara, you are basically done. We're gonna set our makeup so that it lasts all day. And I'm gonna share a trick to help with like under eye creasing and to make that last all day too. So here's where you're ready to set your makeup. Grab your favorite setting spray. Your makeup is done. Your makeup is set. Now look at the glow. Your skin is so perfect and so flawless. I get so excited every time. Okay, grab a little bit of pressed powder and a little poofy sponge, and we're gonna throw a little bit under our eyes. This is gonna help to kind of set your under eye, brighten it, reduce the creasing. And girl, your makeup is done. Your skin is fresh, everything glows. Now, I like a more hydrated lip, so I like to take a little lip oil and done. This is gonna last you all day, and I have to prepare you because everybody's gonna stop you and tell you how amazing and incredible your skin looks. They're gonna ask you your secrets. They're gonna ask you what you did, and you're gonna say, this girl Erin on the internet told me about this amazing makeup that makes my skin look youthful and ages me 10 years backwards. And if you need your little custom makeup palette, just comment match so that way I can pick out your foundation color. I'm going to tell you all the colors that you need to get the most incredible and easy look.